For accessibility in Google Slides and to enable a screen reader to read in a chronological order, it's very important to consider using the theme layouts that are already embedded in slide presentations. So I've opened up a blank slide deck, and you can see I have my title slide, and you can just add a title. And then a subtitle, if you choose to have a subtitle, great. You can also delete that box. It is important to delete those boxes because sometimes the screen reader will pick up that click to add text feature. Now, when I'm adding, then I can go to either add new slide, but here's where all of my slides are actually at, the apply layout. So this shows you the theme and the layouts. These are where the screen readers use those predetermined text boxes to read through those. If I go to new slide, most times it just defaults to a title and text, which is pretty common when you're building a slide deck. Now you may be thinking, I don't want this generic slide. Google Slides does have predetermined slide themes. You can also add your own. So if you start out with a deck that you've gotten from another place, however, it is important then to know, then when you do the apply layout, you will see those predetermined layouts. And you might be thinking, I'd like to change those. So if you go to edit theme, that will show you all of the theme. It will show you the body, the different levels, the fonts, and when you change those layouts, you can then change all of the slides at once. This is a little bit more in-depth process that I'm not going to go into, but if you check through the notes, you would be able to access information on how to do that. So going back to this, then I would just do new information, add my information. Now, if I would add a random text box somewhere in here, then that's going to make that screen reader jump around. So if I really wanted 2 columns, I would be much better off using the layout of the title with 2 columns. But do you see now I have these 2 columns? So a screen reader will have some challenges. It might do the title, it might do 1 column, then the other column, then the middle. So it's really important to consider those layouts of the slide presentation in order for accessibility within screen readers.